Good morning, all. You are listening to Market View from Biswajit Roy. Disclaimer, this is just an educational view. Don't consider as an investment ideas. Please do consider with your advisor. So without further delay, let's understand how the market is going to behave this week. First of all, if we have seen last week, Nifty has been making new highs since last 5 sessions, and we have seen last week it has closed 17,340. Now, if you look at the technical chart of the Nifty, you will find the technical chart shows it's a dominance of the bulls. Now, if Nifty can hold that position about 17,250, then we can see the extension till 17,500 or 17,770. While the downside support is at 17,200 and 17,050. If you look at India V6 has moved by 2.12%. Now, stability in the volatility and declines from higher zones suggests that bulls are holding the tight command on the market. So if the volatility index are under control, which means there is less volatility and there is a positivity in the market. Now, if we look at the option front, if you look at the put writer and call writers, like basically put writer are the people who want the market to be in the upside. They are bullish in the market, and call writer are the people who are bearish in the market. So if you see, the support has been seen in 16,500 and 17,000, followed by 17,500. And if you see the call writing, the call writing maximum has been seen at 17,800. So there is a border stress between 17,000 to 17,800 support and resistance you can consider. If we look at the Bank Nifty is also seen positive, but there has been slight bearishness in the Bank Nifty. There is a selling pressure. We have seen in a couple of banks. We have seen AU Small Finance Bank last week due to management resignation. There is a fall of 15%. So Bank Nifty has to hold above 36,800 to move forward till 37,250, 37,500. And the support is at 36,500 and 36,250. Now, bullish setup, we can see there are a couple of stocks which has a bullish setup. Bullish setup basically means that people are having a positive view on that particular stock. It doesn't mean that they will be performing today. The technical indicator tells us that they will be there are interests, buying interest among the people in this kind in the stocks which you can see in my screen. So basically we can see bearish setup. Bearish setup is something, it's not that definitely the stock is going to fall. Bearish setup is something where the technical indicators are giving us a view that the stock might see further selling from here. So you have to observe those bullish setup and bearish setup. Are they going to continue their bullish view and bearish view, or they are in a reversal mode? Now, due to the Friday, US market has seen some decline. Now, overall, if you see, there is a mixed sentiments among the global. We have seen European market have seen little bit of decline. US market has seen a decline. Job reports was low. And if we see SGX Nifty is just up by 0.12%, which is in between 10 to 30 points. So we have opened gap up. But the question is that whether we are going to hold the gap up or not. Now, if you look at the Dow future is suggesting there is a positive sentiment because we are not seeing any decline. However, US market has a holiday today, so we will be behaving depending on the view of Asian market and other European market. Now, if you look at the Asian market, Nike has been performing very well since morning. So we are expecting that positive because we have some positive signs. Our GDP has improved. Our states has opened up, so there are no lockdowns. So vaccination has been on its peak. There is less number of COVID cases. So if we look at our country, we have a positive view. Now, if we get a support from the global team, definitely we can see 17,800, or we might cross 18,000. So if the global view supports, then we will be seeing 17,800 this week. Now, there are a couple of incidents which there is a couple of events which has taken place in a couple of stocks. Like if you see, Reliance says that they can make green hydrogen, which will be helpful. Green hydrogen can be used as a fuel. Now you can see HDFC Life Insurance to acquire the Exide Life Insurance. That's a very positive for Exide. Tata Motors opened 70 new sales outlets across South India. So, which means there will be, you can see a good earnings in upcoming quarters. So you can keep a bullish view on Tata Motors. IRCTC as the dominance player in the market, and it has a monopoly. So now they have, you can book the cruise tickets from IRCTC. It's a very positive view. Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel's two-point equity issue is a credit positive. Okay. Then Jindal Steel and Power has received the shareholders' approval to divest its 96.42% stake in its subsidiary Jindal Power. ICICI Lombard got the that means approval to demerge the general insurance business of Bharti AXA. So this will be a positive news for ICICI Lombard. Then even ICICI Bank has got the approval to bring down the stake in ICICI Bank to 30%, provided it complies with the Insurance Act. Now, basically, we have seen a profit booking in auto stocks, but now there has been the automobile PLA scheme to be announced next week. So this will give a positive advantage on the auto stocks like Maruti, M&M, Tata Motor, Eicher Motor. And Hero Motor opens the booking for lot of Pan America, 1250 Harley Davidson, as they have tied up now. They have tied up with Hero Motor. Hero Motor has been tied up with Harley Davidson. They are bringing that to the market. Engineers India, we can see they have bagged a good project in Chennai Petro. So that's a positive for Engineer India. Dr. Reddy, we are seeing some good good news even in Dr. Reddy. Federal Bank has launched its credit card in association with Visa. They are the Visa is the global leader in digital payment. Reliance is pursuing to green hydrogen, as we have known. So it's again a positive. Now global market, if you see Dow is negative. Friday it closed minus 44. SGX Nifty positive. Nifty 50 has closed at 17,323. Sensex 58,129. Nike 459. Currency, we have seen a dip in currency. Commodity gold little bit positive. 10-year US bond rate is at 1.33 and 10-year Indian bond rate is 6.16. If we look at the derivative, the put call ratio it's at 0.84 and the V6 is 14.54. So if we go through this report, we have a mix of positive and negative. Still the market is intact. We don't see any negative negative sentiments in the market which can create a drastic fall in the market. Yeah, there might be a slight dip. Now looking at all these reports, we can see that the market is still in buy-in dip. So that's all about the market for today. I have shared the report in the group. You can go through the report and you can assess as per your your convenience, and you can just understand the market in a better way. Thank you very much.